Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to use gradient hedge. For example, I will draw rectangle and we set a dimension into 100 and 100. The next to set or apply gradient hedge, you can type hedge, press enter, and will be show for hedge dialog box. In here you can click on gradient tab and the art color that can change, like I will set the ground in here into red color, and for another I will set into yellow color. Now you also can set for the gradient type, we set into linear, and click add to pick points. I will click inside the rectangle and you can press enter. Now you can click again preview, so it will be automatically create for the gradient with linear option. Now if you want to change, you can double click again the hedge objects, and in there I will set for the gradients into spherical, and if you click preview we change into spherical. Now press escape button and I will set again into another gradient tab into cylinder, click preview, and this is for the cylinder. If you don't, you can press enter. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial how to use a gradient hedge. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.